I hate summer, but I love doing my makeup. And today I'm gonna show you how I created this beautiful summer-friendly makeup look for everyday use by using all affordable makeup products that's not gonna make a hole in your pocket. Not everybody can afford expensive makeup products, right? So today I'm going to show you a very simple summer-friendly makeup look by using all of my favorite drugstore makeup products that I actually use and I genuinely like them. So let's go. First, you need a moisturizer to prep your skin really well, and for that I'm going to use this moisturizer from Plum. You can use whatever you have. I love the beautiful texture of this and how hydrating this one is and how beautifully it moisturizes my skin. If you're looking for a nice hydrating moisturizer, this is a great product to have. Coming to the sunscreen, this is what I'm recently using and I've been loving this because this is very lightweight and hydrating on the skin and doesn't leave any white cast. Now there are days when I'm in a hurry and I'm not using any makeup at all. I just use my sunscreen. I even skip my moisturizer and it works perfectly fine. Next is primer. Now I have oily skin and I have a little bit of open pores, so I prefer this kind of silicone based primer. This is from Mars. I also really like the Huda Beauty one and the Color Bar one. Also inside has a really nice primer. Now I'm gonna mostly focus on my T-zone area and it instantly gives you that blurring effect. Don't forget your under eyes and your eyelid cause these are the areas that creases the most. Next I'm using this Dot & Key lip balm that has SPF of 50. It's gonna hydrate my lips as well as add some color to my lips. And this smells so good. Next I'm going to use a skin tint that's very lightweight on the skin and it also gives a little bit of coverage. I'm going to use this one from Lakme. You can use whatever you have. The brush I'm going to use is from Mars. You can see how beautifully it blends. Now the only thing I don't like about this skin tint that it has a little bit of fragrance to it, but this gives such a beautiful natural finish. That's it. That's about my base. Now if you have acne prone skin or if you have deep dark circle or active acne just like me, so you need a concealer but for spot correcting. This is the Character Cosmetics one and this is from Mars. Now I love mixing my concealers. This is full coverage and this is a little more hydrating. So I love mixing these two and I'm gonna apply it only on the spots I need it the most. I'm not gonna use it on my entire face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand using this PAC 215 concealer brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it like that, so it's not too heavy or cakey underneath your eyes, but it's gonna give you the desired coverage. And wherever I have acne spots, I'm gonna spot conceal with my finger. Next you need a loose powder and a puff. I'm gonna use this one from Lakme. You can use whatever loose powder you have, but I would recommend you to use a loose powder to set your cream products. Do not use your compact powders, otherwise it's gonna look a little heavy or cakey. So loose powders are finely milled, they are very lightweight and they are perfect to set your cream products into place. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my puff, just press it into your skin like that. To lock my base makeup into place, I'm gonna use a setting spray. I'm just gonna clean my brows so that there is no foundation or powder left. Then I'm gonna comb my brows in the upwards direction and then fill them in. By the way, I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Pencil. You can also try the Mars Eyebrow Pencil. That's really good. So just fill in the gaps, okay? Try to make it look naturally structured and filled in. Then I'm going to use this brow gel from She Glam to set them into place. Now blush is a very important step in my makeup routine and I always use a blush. Today I'm going to use this one from Nykaa. You can use whatever you have. Mostly I use a liquid blush underneath and then I top it off with a powder blush. But today I'm going to use only this one because this is quite pigmented and it's long wearing. Take some on the back of my hand. Do not apply directly, okay? It's going to move your base. Then I'm going to take a blush brush and just... Next I'm going to take a little bit of loose powder and I'm just going to set this area. Honestly, I don't do much for my eyes. I just take a little bit of blush and apply it all over my eyelid. just to give a little bit of color, and that's it. And again set it with a loose powder so that it doesn't crease. So that's about it for my base. Now I'm going to use a little bit of mascara, some lip products, and that's it. But before that I'm going to use the same setting spray again. For mascara I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise one. Next I'm going to line my lips with this Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade Let's Bounce. Ooh, what a lovely shade. For lipstick you have 20 million options, but today I'm going to use this one from L'Oreal in the shade Voted, and it just looks so pretty with this particular lip liner. And that's it. That's the finished makeup look. It's a very easy, basic, not so fancy makeup look that you can wear on everyday basis. And I love the finish of this and how beautifully it sits on my skin. My base looks really nice. It's not flat matte but not overly dewy, and my skin looks like my skin, and the makeup is quite long wearing and also sweat proof, because this literally sets your makeup for hours, and this is totally tried and tested. For more summer friendly makeup tutorials, definitely watch my shorts videos. I already have created so many summer friendly makeup tutorials that you would absolutely love. And that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.